All right, another story from Mabel's book, 3-Minute Stories for 3-Year-Olds. And today's story is The Magic Supper Pot. A long time ago, a girl named Abigail lived with her mother in a rickety house in a quiet village. The family was poor, and some days there was no more than a crumb to eat. Although her life was hard, Abigail was good and kind, and everyone loved her. One day, Abigail's mother sent her into the forest to look for blackberries. Abigail searched all day, but didn't find a single berry. She was on her way home when she met a mysterious old woman. "Take this," said the woman, handing her a copper pot. "If you're ever hungry again, say 'boil, little pot,' and it will feed you. Then say 'stop, little pot,' and it will do as you ask." Before Abigail could thank her, the woman disappeared in a swirl of leaves. Abigail ran as fast as she could all the way home to tell her mother. Abigail told her mother about the mysterious woman in the woods and the magic copper pot. "Should we try it?" Abigail asked. "Boil, little pot." Sure enough, the pot began to rattle and bubble. A delicious smell filled the room, and soon there was hot porridge for their supper. Abigail's mother laughed in delight, and they ate until they could eat no more. "Stop, little pot," commanded Abigail. The pot became still. The same thing happened every day that week. Abigail told the little pot to boil. Whenever they were hungry, they grew healthy and strong. One day, when Abigail was collecting wood, her mother decided to get the evening meal ready. The pot filled with porridge at her command, but she couldn't remember the magic words to stop the pot, and soon it started to spill over. "Enough, little pot," she cried. But that didn't work. "Please cease, little pot." But that didn't work either. Do you remember the words to stop the pot? Soon the floor was covered in sticky porridge, and Abigail's mother ran out of the house. It wasn't long before the porridge was as high as the windows, then the roof, and finally it came pouring out of the chimney and began to fill the street. Abigail's mother watched in despair as one by one the houses began filling with porridge. As the sun set, Abigail returned home and saw the village covered in porridge. Abigail knew what to do. What did she say? "Stop, little pot," she called, and it did. The villagers gazed at the river of porridge in their town. There was only one thing to do. It was time for a feast.